Woof, woof. Want to bark like a dog, Stephanie? Woof, woof. That's not how you bark like a dog. What were the dogs used to do? Were they just barking? Woof, woof. Okay. That's not how you usually bark, but okay, I'll accept it. Anything else you want to say? You want to say dog? Dog. Oh, you're trying to headbutt kiss? Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah?
he was going to get all my treats for... He's going to get my candy from the cow.
Well, then don't put it on the couch.
Mommy, I want to watch a movie.
I'll see. Alright, Persephone, you gonna bark like a dog at all? Woof, woof. Okay. I'll try to catch you some other time when you do it. Woof, woof. There's a camera. Ah. Dog, don't touch his bottom. Scoot, Lego. Making your own music to dance to? Okay, get the candy away from her. She's crawling over here now. No, I'm sorry. I'll give you your own. You want some cheese? Okay, gross, Eliza. Sit up at the table and eat that.